Welcome back. Hope you have watched episode 1 of Starter Guide video series. If not, do watch it. In this video, I'm going to quickly guide you through the application form. Make sure you have all your details right and don't forget to showcase your creativity and passion in the application form. We can't wait to see your brilliant ideas. Visit the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow website. Click on the Apply Now button. Fill in name and your team member's name if any. Instructions remain the same for more than one team member. Fill in age and gender. If you are under 18, fill in your parent or guardian's email ID. Fill in the place you are applying from. Mention your recent level of education. Mention your disability status if any. Write the name of your team. Select the theme under which you are submitting your idea. Explain the problem you are trying to address. And write down your solution for the problem that caters to. Select the stage your project is in. Now, mention the point of contact for your team by sharing their contact details. Select how you found out about Samsung Solve for Tomorrow. And you're almost there. Read and select the terms and conditions. And click Submit. And with that, we have come to the end of the application form. Watch out for the next video where we will discuss the first theme of Samsung Solve for Tomorrow 2025. Apply now and join us in solving for tomorrow.